Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you are returning, welcome back. So today we have another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the Roccabox for April. So this month's box is vegan themed. It's £53. You do get 5 products in here and you also get a special little treat as well. So I'm really excited to see what is in this month's box. I've only ever unboxed the Roccabox limited edition. So this will be my first time unboxing just your standard monthly beauty subscription box rather than the limited edition. Obviously the limited editions are worth more, but you do get lots more products in there as well. So before we do get into today's video guys, if you do like this video as ever, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you do like watching my videos guys, then stick around, subscribe. Let's just get straight into the unboxing. So every product in this box is vegan, completely vegan it says, and cruelty free and clean. So this looks really interesting. So the first thing that we have is the well it says Kat Von D Vegan Beauty, but it's actually rebranded to KVD Beauty, but we all know it as Kat Von D. So we have the KVD, the Kitten Mini Tattoo Liner. I have actually heard really good things about their tattoo liner. It's meant to be a really good liquid liner, and it says here it's loaded with KVD's award-winning tattoo liner formula. Don't be fooled by the kitten size of this liquid pen. This is a mini liner that's packed with a mighty punch. Innovative brush tip, compromising no less than 325 flexible bristles that come together in a tight, crisp point. So it's really pointy. It's meant to be so good. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah, looks really good. Delivers it's a waterproof long wear liner in a high pigment shade of black, meaning opaque, ultra precise flicks can be used all day. So yeah, we have a travel size tattoo liner with Kat Von D or KVD. She's rebranded now, isn't she? So we have a little cute little tattoo liner there, which is really nice. Next product, this is travel size guys. So this is the Grow Gorgeous Hair Care Defense Detoxifying Scalp Scrub. Now I have used a few scalp scrubs before. I've never really heard of them until I think it was last year when I received one. I never ever like knew about scalp scrubs, never knew they were a thing. But yeah, who knew that rubbing your scalp with some scrub is good. So it says here, you thought that you didn't need a scalp scrub in your hair care routine. Once you try this, you'll change your mind. Look at it as a primer for your hair. It will exfoliate and refresh your scalp, remove product buildup, dead cells and excess sebum, leaving your hair and scalp cleaner and glossier, allowing your shampoo, conditioner and hair care products to get to work properly. If you've ever felt like buildup is messing with your shine, or that pollution from living in a city could be to blame for your dull looks, or that your usual shampoo just isn't getting rid of the grease, so this is a new secret weapon. So yeah, never heard of this brand before. This is £6. So yeah, I've never heard of Grow Gorgeous. That actually looks like quite like a thin consistency compared to other scrubs that I've used in my hair. They're like really thick and just not really doing anything, but that actually looks really nice. So you just basically leave wet hair, massage it in, leave it for a few minutes and then shampoo as normal. So yeah, interesting. So we've got a scalp scrub there. Then next we have, now this is one of my favourite skincare brands guys. So this is by Balance Me Skincare. I absolutely love this brand. Their eye cream is amazing, their moisturizer. I've just got so many different things from them that they kindly gifted to me a while back. But this is their Collagen Boost Moisturizer. So this is a travel size, which is perfect to take on holiday and just pop in your handbag when you need a bit of like moisturize, you know, a bit of hydration. So this plump out dehydrated skin with this peptide rich hyaluronic acid enriched cream by boosting collagen and elastin production and injecting moisture into parched skin, which is what I have. My skin is always so thirsty, so dry. It restores skin's bounce and massively massively boosts radiance levels. I've been using this regularly for a month now and have seen it restore my thirsty complexion, notably firming it up and smoothing away those irritating fine dehydration lines. Amazing. So yeah, as I said before, love this brand. I love Balance Me skincare brand. It's just really, like, they're so natural with all the products and they're just so nice. This smells, oh, it smells unreal. Their products just smell amazing, they feel amazing, and they're just so nice. So this retails for, guys, this is £10 and you can buy this on their website. And as I said before, I love Balance Me skincare products, so I'm really happy to try that. I don't know if I tried the Collagen Boost Moisturizer. I'm pretty sure I have. I think I've used this before, but I've had like a big size, so I'm happy that I've got a little mini size now. So yeah, I really do rate this. It's really, really good. So next we have a full size product. So we have a shower gel, which is quite interesting. I'm actually happy that we've got something like this in a beauty box, because I don't know about you guys, but I love getting, obviously I love beauty boxes, I love subscription boxes, but I don't really see many showery stuff, like shower gel body stuff. I don't think, well, I have not personally anyway, but to have a full-size product like this is really, really good. So this is the Beauty Papier, is that how you say it, or papaya? No, I don't think it's papaya, it's papier. This is the Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. So it is a really big size, really big size. So for a supercharged wake up, add this to your morning shower, chock full of skin loving superfoods like pumpkin, argan, aloe vera and orange. This antioxidant rich gel will boost your skin's health as it cleanses, while its invigorating scent will perk you up and leave you feeling energized and ready to face the day. Oh, and the bottle, full sized, looks super snazzy in your shower tray. So yeah, I'm going to have a smell of it because you guys know I need to have, oh my god, I've just got on the lips. Do you know what, I'm going to take the top lid off and just have a little. I'm all about my smells and my scents. Oh, that smells nice. What can I smell in there then? What can I smell in there? I think I can definitely smell a bit of the orange and the argan, so that smells amazing. So yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to trying that in my morning shower. So I'm happy with that, guys. Full size. It is 300 mils. Lovely. Oh, I didn't tell you how much it is. £25 this retails for, guys. £25. So then the last thing we have is an eye mask. So this is by Vitamask. So these are gold eye pads, and I love using stuff like this under my eyes because I just suffer with the most puffiest eyes, dry eyes. I need everything on my eyes, eye cream, the lot. So this looks really interesting. So why they picked this is the best looking eye mask you'll ever see. It doesn't just make good Instagram, it walks the talk too. These golden patches are infused with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid to reduce the look of fine lines, pump in moisture and brighten dark circles. I need that because I have the biggest dark circles. A lovely restorative treat at the end of a tiring working day. Yes, amazing. So this is $5.99, guys, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this, I think, because I need a good pamper. My eyes just feel so puffy dry and just needs a bit of moisture into my eyes and my skin. So I might even pop those on before I get into bed and just have a chill and a pamper. Sounds amazing. So yeah, $5.99 and it's available on their website. So I just wanted to say, guys, as well, that it says here if you do share your box on social media, and you could win 500 Rocca rewards to spend on their website. So if you do use the hashtag Roccabox and Roccababe, you'll be in the chance to enter and win some points. So that's amazing. So this is exciting as well. So you do get an extra free little treat in there as well, guys. So they have chucked in some chocolate little pots. It's like a little chocolate mousses. These are vegan, plant-based. These are by the brand The Coconut Collaborative. I'm pretty sure I've had these before, but how cute these little like mini snack size. So you could pop these into your handbag, like to take into work or something, as you for your packed lunch, or just as a little snack on the go, a little treat. So yeah, it's Where does it tell me what it is? 100 calories, gluten-free, dairy-free. Amazing. So it's a chocolate ganache. It's like a chocolate mousse. So yeah, exciting. I am looking forward to trying that. So this, you could eat this, pop your eye mask on after you've had a shower and just relax. So yeah, how nice is that? Just some little cute little freebies there. So that was everything in this month's Roccabox for April. I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. Make sure that you do leave a comment down below and let me know if you've got this box as well, what your favourite thing in this month's box was. If you did like this video, guys, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget that if you aren't subscribed, you want to stick around, hit the subscribe button and join my little YouTube family. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!